The A-18 Hornet is a multirole fighter aircraft developed by the United States to meet the demanding realities of modern naval air warfare. Designed to operate from aircraft carriers and austere forward bases, it was created to combine air-to-air combat, ground attack, and maritime strike into a single, flexible platform. Its development was driven by the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps' requirement to replace multiple aging aircraft types with one reliable, survivable, and versatile fighter. In an era defined by rapid reaction, expeditionary warfare, and carrier-based power projection, the A-18 Hornet became a cornerstone of Western naval aviation. 2. Origin and development history. The A-18 Hornet originated in the United States and was developed by McDonnell Douglas, later Boeing following a corporate merger. The program began in the early 1970s, with the aircraft's first flight taking place on November 18, 1978. The Hornet was derived from the Northrop YF-17, a prototype developed for the U.S. Air Force lightweight fighter program. While the YF-17 lost to the YF-16, its twin-engine design proved attractive to the U.S. Navy for carrier operations. The F-A-18 was developed to replace several aircraft, including the F for Phantom II, A-7 Corsair II, and A for Skyhawk, consolidating multiple roles into one airframe. 3. Design philosophy and airframe. The design philosophy of the F-A-18 centered on survivability, versatility, and carrier suitability. The airframe uses a combination of aluminum alloys, titanium, and composite materials to balance strength, weight, and corrosion resistance in a maritime environment. Its mid-mounted swept wings and leading-edge extensions enhance lift at high angles of attack, improving maneuverability during dogfights and carrier landings. Twin vertical stabilizers improve directional stability, particularly at high angles of attack. The aircraft's rugged landing gear, reinforced structure, and folding wings are optimized for repeated carrier operations. For engine and propulsion system, the F-A-18 Hornet is powered by two General Electric F-4 for turbofan engines. Each engine produces approximately 10,700 pounds of thrust dry and about 16,000 pounds with afterburner. The twin-engine configuration provides increased safety over water, and during carrier operations, the engines deliver strong acceleration and reliable throttle response, contributing to the Hornet's agility and operational confidence in demanding environments. 5. Speed and flight performance. The Hornet has a maximum speed of approximately Mach 1.8, equivalent to about 1,190 miles per hour or 1,915 kilometers per hour at altitude. Its typical cruise speed is around Mach 0.9. The aircraft has a service ceiling of about 50,000 feet and a rate of climb exceeding 50,000 feet per minute under optimal conditions. The Hornet is known for its high angle of attack handling and predictable flight characteristics, allowing precise control during both combat maneuvering and carrier landings. 6. Range, endurance, and fuel. Internal fuel capacity is approximately 10,860 pounds. The combat radius varies by mission profile, but is typically round for 100 to 500 nautical miles. Ferry range, using external fuel tanks, can exceed 1,800 nautical miles. The F-A-18 is equipped with an aerial refueling probe, enabling extended endurance and global deployment when supported by tanker aircraft. 7. Fuel consumption and operating cost. Fuel consumption varies widely depending on mission profile, altitude, and afterburner use. While precise burn rates are not publicly fixed, carrier-based fighters like the Hornet consume several thousand pounds of fuel per flight hour. During typical operations, the estimated cost per flight hour for legacy F-A-18 variants has been reported in the range of tens of thousands of US dollars. Operating costs are driven by maintenance-intensive carrier use, complex avionics, and the logistics required to sustain high readiness rates at sea. 8. Avionics and sensor systems. Early A-18 variants were equipped with mechanically skinned radars, such as the APG-65, later upgraded to the APG-73. These systems provide air-to-air and air-to-ground targeting capability. The cockpit features hands-on throttle and stick controls, multifunction displays, and advanced mission computers for their era. Integrated electronic warfare systems. RADA are warning receivers, and countermeasure dispensers enhance situational awareness and survivability while reducing pilot workload. 9. Weapons and payload. The A-18 Hornet can carry a wide range of weapons on 9 external hardpoints, with a maximum external payload of approximately 13,700 pounds. Air-to-air weapons include the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-1 ROM. Air-to-ground options include laser-guided bombs, GPS-guided munitions, unguided bombs, and anti-ship missiles. A 20mm M61A1 Vulcan cannon is mounted internally. This flexibility allows the aircraft to switch roles within a single mission if required. 10. Stealth and survivability. The A-18 Hornet was not designed as a stealth aircraft. Its radar cross-section is reduced compared to earlier fighters through shaping and materials, but remains detectable by modern radar systems. Survivability relies on maneuverability, electronic countermeasures, radar warning systems, and the redundancy of twin engines. While lacking low observable characteristics, the Hornet's defensive systems and tactical employment mitigate many threats. 11. Real-world service and combat use. The A-18 has been operated by the United States Navy and Marine Corps, as well as several allied nations including Australia, Canada, Spain, Switzerland, Finland, Kuwait, and others. It has seen combat in multiple conflicts, including operations in the Persian Gulf, the Balkans, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Syria. The aircraft has consistently demonstrated reliability in both combat and multinational exercises, earning positive evaluations for versatility and maintainability. 12. Cost, production, and global impact. The flyaway cost of early A-18 variants varied by production block, but was generally in the range of several tens of millions of US dollars at the time of manufacture. Approximately 1,480 A-18 BC-D aircraft were produced. The Hornet became one of the most widely exported Western fighter aircraft, strengthening interoperability among allied air forces and shaping naval aviation doctrine for decades. 13. Strengths and weaknesses. The Hornet excels in multirole flexibility, carrier compatibility, and handling characteristics. Its twin-engine safety margin and robust design are major strengths. Limitations include shorter range compared to larger strike fighters and the absence of stealth features. As air defenses evolved, the legacy Hornet required upgrades to remain effective, highlighting the challenge of keeping fourth-generation fighters relevant. 14. Final verdict. The A-18 Hornet represents a pivotal chapter in modern military aviation. It proved that a single aircraft could reliably perform multiple combat roles from the demanding environment of an aircraft carrier. Though gradually replaced by newer designs, its influence on naval air power, allied cooperation, and multirole fighter philosophy remains significant. The Hornet's legacy is defined by balance, reliability, and sustained operational relevance in a rapidly changing world.